Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to download and install the Settlemate app on your phone. Step 1. Open the App Store if you're using iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Step 2. Type Settlemate in the search bar and look for the official app with this logo right here. And then, with the high ratings and a verified developer. Step 3. Tap the install on Android or get on iOS and wait for it to download completely. Step 4. Open the app and once installed, you will be asked to create an account using your email or mobile number. Step 5. Complete the verification process and set up your user profile. And now you're ready to use its Settlemate app to manage debts, split bills, or settle financial agreements. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.